Welcome to this yoga video for tight hips. So this is a practice that you can do any time of the day. And please know that when you practice with me that you can move in your own way, how your body wants to move. Please don't try to move how I'm moving or have any expectations. So we will start our practice by closing down the eyes if you feel safe to do so. We are joined by Tessie today. Hopefully she won't cause much disturbance. So taking a nice tall spine, sit nice and tall, grounding your sit bones down into the ground, and bring awareness to your breath. Whether you choose to take some deep breaths or whether you choose to observe the breath, nothing is right or wrong. And allow yourself to root through down with the breath. And if you aren't taking deep breaths, I invite you to now take some really big deep breaths. And see if you can send your breath down to your hips. Take one more very big deep breath. And then gently open the eyes. So we will actually start with bringing the hands behind us, placing the hands down to the ground, taking the feet nice and wide with the knees raised. And we're going to let both knees drop to the left side and then both knees drop to the right side. And then just move here between the two in your own way and at your own pace. Allowing yourself to really connect with the body, allowing yourself to really feel into the hips. How are they feeling? And allowing yourself, if there is some stiffness, to hold that with no judgment, no expectations, but to send some love and movement to those areas. We'll take a couple more. And then when you get to the right side next, stay on the right side and drop the hips. So we want to let the knees and the legs go as close to the floor as possible. And then see if you can lean back a little and then just push the hips up. So we're not actually lifting the hips off of the ground or the bum cheeks off the ground, but we're just pushing forward. Awareness of breath, awareness of body. And then slowly release that push with the hips and come to the other side. So allow yourself to arrive on the other side, remembering it looks however it looks for you. Once you have arrived, just push and lift the hips slightly. Nice. And then slowly lower back down. And then create some movement again. This time we're going to start to lift up the hips. So I'm going to bring my knees to the left side, plant through my left hand, and lift up my hips, push forward. Right hand comes off of the floor. And then we move back down, hands come back down to the ground, bring the feet over to the right side, and lift up on the right side. And again, now move at your own pace, in your own way. You may want to start to bring the arm up and take a bit of a stretch in the side of the ribs, opening up the heart and the chest. You may not. You may just want to stay here, that's okay. Allowing yourself to really honor what you need in this moment in time. And we will take one more on each side. And then slowly come back to the center. Bring the knees back to the center. We'll take the feet together and open the knees out wide. And then move from side to side here. So this is our butterfly position, but we're actually going to move side to side. Going to take a few more of these movements and then allow yourself to arrive into stillness in the center and let the knees open wide. Maybe we take a slight butterfly, slight movement. Maybe you want stillness, that's okay. And allow yourself to take some deep breaths into the hips. You may be here, that's okay. Allow yourself to be here, be present with your body, with how you're feeling, and use your breath to help you soothe into the pose. Your knees may be all the way down to the floor, that's okay. Bring full awareness then into the hips. Send the breath to the hips. And then slowly start to push up. Keep your feet and legs in this position. Hands come to the toes. And then we're just going to take a little lean forward. You will feel that it maybe feels intense in the hip flexors or in your lower back or your glutes. If it feels too intense, come back, regress. If it feels at a place where you can feel the stiffness and tightness and you want to stay here and breathe into it, then allow yourself that space. There's no destination here. It's really about being present with the body, present with each part of the body and where the body can go, not where we expect it to go. And then slowly take one more breath. Any movement that feels nice. And then we will take the right leg out long. We're going to bring the left foot into the inside of the right thigh. And we're just going to take some movements around or forward and back. So again, we can open up the hip here. We can take that leg a little bit further out if we want to. And we're going to just move in and out of the hip here. And then when you are ready, come to stillness. Take a twist to the left side. Right hand comes to the outside of the left knee. And look over your left shoulder. We want to push down into the ground with this right leg. And then slowly release, come back to the center, and we will change sides. So taking that left leg out nice and wide, right foot comes into the left thigh. Take some movements forward and back or around. Allow yourself to explore the body. Taking any movements that feel nice. And then when you are ready, come to stillness and take that twist. So left hand comes to the outside of the right knee. Look over the right shoulder. Sit up nice and tall. And then gently come back to the center. We will release both legs out. Take a shake off of the legs. And then slowly come onto your fours. So once you are on your hands and knees, you're just going to take some movements right. So push your hips to the right side, back to the right heel, and come back into the center and push out to the left side. So a semicircle movement here from right to left and center. Allowing yourself some nice gentle movement. You may want to go faster, you may want to go slower. And then come into stillness in the center. I'm going to take that right leg forward, however it needs to get there. Bring in the foot to the front. Hands stay on the inside, so we're just going to move forward and back here and side to side. Just allowing some movement to come into the left hip and also the right hip. You may want to take the left knee back a little to get more space in the right hip. Taking the time to allow yourself to explore and be with your body and be with the movement. Allowing your movement to look however it needs to look for you. And then slowly come into stillness. Take the right hand to the right knee and just open it out slightly. I'm not staying here for long. And then slowly release and bring that right leg back. We will change sides, taking that left foot forward. Taking the right knee back slightly. Open out the left leg. And again, move in and out here. Allow yourself to explore in and out of the hips. Welcoming any movement that feels good for you. Really allowing yourself to find pockets of stiffness and allowing yourself to bring some movement into those areas. And then coming into stillness, take that left hand to the left knee, open out, push through into that left knee. And then slowly release, come back to hands and fours. And we will finish with a child's pose. So take the knees nice and wide. And then the feet can come together if they can. Push back towards the heels and then lower down to the ground. You may stay here. That's okay. You may come down to the ground. Whatever is accessible for you today in this moment, take wherever you can go. Once you've arrived, take some nice big deep breaths. We're going to stay here and finish here, simply by bringing full awareness to the breath and full awareness to the hips. Allowing ourselves that softening and surrender. Anytime the mind gets busy, come back to the breath, come back to any feelings and sensations in the body. Nice big deep breaths. Allowing yourself no judgment of the body. Really being fully present with how you are feeling. Allowing your hips to continue to open even when they feel like they want to contract. We will take 3 more very big deep breaths. And then we will slowly come out of the pose. Coming back into seated, so be very gentle with coming out. Allow yourself the softening and bringing the hips in slowly, the knees back in. Maybe taking a little movement and a wiggle side to side. And then come and join me back in a seated position as to finish our practice. Taking a moment to get comfortable, however your seated position looks for you. And then if you feel safe to do so, closing down the eyes and bringing awareness back to the breath. Taking a moment to observe the feelings and sensations in the hips and the bum. Feeling the bum meeting the ground beneath you, the mat. Taking this moment to have gratitude for yourself, for showing up, for dedicating time for your body, and thank your body for allowing you to love your hips in this way. And we'll take our hands to our hips and just take a few breaths into the hips. Taking one more breath. And then slowly releasing the hands, let them fall wherever they want, opening the eyes. And I want to thank you for joining me on this practice. Thank you for dedicating the time to yourself and to share that with me. Please subscribe to the channel if you would like more practices and you would like to support me in my journey. And if you're feeling open to, there is a comments box below. There's an invitation to drop in there and just say a little something, whether it's just a hey, what's up, that you enjoyed the practice, something that you would want more. But equally, if you don't want to do that, I also see you, I feel you, and I hear you. And thank you for sharing your energy with me in this time. And I'm sending you lots of love.